Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own Skype ringtone. First thing you're going to need to do is have Audacity. I'll be giving the link to the download in the description, don't worry about it. And then, hang on. Yeah, thumbs up. Thumbs up to you too, Matt. Anyway, listen to the whole song in Audacity, and after you've found that certain spot of the song that you really like and you want to make your ringtone, just zoom in on that certain spot. Do it 2 or 3 times. I do it 3. You can do it 2. Might even not even have to. But after that, just select it out. And after that, go up to edit, hit copy, then hit file, then hit new, then hit edit again, then hit paste. And this is what it would look like. And so, yeah, after that, go to file. If you have the new version of Skype, like if you just updated it a little bit ago, and it's all new and shiny, you're gonna have to do it as .wav. I don't know how to say it, but anyway, that's what you're gonna have to export it as. I don't know why they didn't just keep it as MP3. They obviously should have, but if you have the older versions, you can just use the .mp3. Just export it as and do whichever one you have to. I have to do .wav. And after that, open up Skype, go to personalize. This is for the new Skype, I don't know about the old one. Go to change sounds, and then it should automatically be on the sound screen, but if it's not, it'll just be, you can just easily go to it. It's under the general tab. After that, go to import sounds, go to the folder or wherever you exported the ringtone to, and then right there, those are all my ringtones I've so far put up. And Too Far From Home is, I've had to record this a good amount of times, so yeah, go up to here, look for it. There's a huge list of both old ones and new ones. Just go to the one that you just created. It'll be in alphabetical order, and then hit play this sound. That's what mine is, and before this was mine. I like this one. I'm probably gonna keep it this way, but I don't know, I might use the other one I just made. So epic. Anyway, yeah, after you've done that, just click on the ringtone you made, hit save, and there you go. Oh, and this is the creator of TechniTuts, by the way. He's my homie. Anyway, yeah, enjoy the video, and rate, comment, subscribe. This was Steven, and I'm signing off now.